Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous episode, we learned about the Varsha Ritu and the ragas related to the Varsha Ritu, mainly the Malhars. We saw how Raag Miya Ki Malhar and Raag Megh sound. We also learnt about the different Malhars that are there. So before we continue to the next Ritu, I would suggest we learn one new Raga, that is Raag Kafi. In today's episode, I will be introducing the Raga along with its information and the composition that we will be learning to play. So let us start with the Aroha and Avroha of Raag Kafi. The Aroha Avroha is the Vadi Swar is the Pancham and the Samvadi is Shadj. Kafi is a Thaat Rag, one of the 10 Thats which we had learnt before. Hence, the Thaat of Kafi is also Kafi. The Carnatic equivalent of the Kafi Rag is called Kharahara Priya. Kharahara Priya is the 22nd Melakarta Raga out of the 72 Melakartas. It is possible that you may find reference to Kharahara Priya being Kafi in some of the old books. Raag Kafi has all the 7 notes in Aroha as well as Avroha, which means this is a Sampurna Jati Raga. While some scholars agree that this raga is to be played in the second prahar of the night, there are others that say that there is no specific time to perform the Kafi raga. The universally accepted time, though, is during the festivities of Hori or Holi. Hori is a Upashastriya prakar of music or a semi-classical form of music which deals with the festivities of Hori. Few famous compositions in Raag Kafi are Aaj Khelo Shyam Sang Hori and Dekho Ali Holi Khelat Nandanal. I am leaving links to these compositions by Pandit Venkatesh Kumar and Pandit Ajay Chakraborty ji for you to have a listen. Raag Kafi has 2 Komal Swar in the Aroha as well as Avroha, that is Komal Ga and Komal Ni. Let us now explore the composition that we will be learning in the next episode. So this is the composition that we will be learning in the next episode. Mind you that you have to practice the Alankars in the Kafi Raag. Kafi Raag is a Sampurna Raag, so practicing the Alankars will be pretty simple. All the Alankar that are there, you have to just replace the Ga and Ni with the Komal Ga and Komal Ni. We have covered in the previous episodes about the Komal and the Tivra Swara. This Raag, as I said, has Komal Ga and Komal Ni. This you can see here is the position of the Komal Ga. And this is the position of the Komal Ni. You can come back to this timestamp whenever you need to have a look at the finger positions of the Komal Ga and the Komal Ni. That's all for today. If you're enjoying the content that I create and you're enjoying the process of learning, then I request you to support me on Patreon through memberships. Patrons get exclusive benefits like the finger position JPEGs, transcripts to the videos, early compositions, early access to videos, and so much more. Or else, I would request you to consider making me a one-time contribution through any of these methods mentioned below. I am there on PayPal too. Link is again in the description. If that is also too much, then I request you to just like this video, share this video with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely help them. Leave a comment down below if you have any queries regarding music or the flute. I'll be happy to answer them. And last but not the least, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense joy. That's all for today. The Silent Flautist signing off for the day. See you again next week with another video. Thank you.